Weather update. As blizzard conditions continue, large accumulations are reported.
The Dairy Queen Blizzard of 98 is gaining strength, bombarding us with loads of sweet, crunchy, peanut buttery Reese's Pieces blended into that rich, famous DQ soft serve. It's the one and only Dairy Queen Blizzard, flavor after delicious flavor. And this week, the Reese's Pieces 16-ounce Blizzard is specially priced at $2.49. And on every cup, a chance to win a Caribbean cruise.